Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your student loans with Sallie Mae detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your student loans with Sallie Mae, start by gathering your personal information. Make sure you have your social security number, loan account number, and any other identification you may need. Visit the official Sallie Mae website to ensure you're using the correct login portal. On the home page, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Enter your user ID and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account yet, look for the Create Account option to register. Once logged in, navigate to the Loans section of your account dashboard. Here, you will see a detailed overview of all your student loans. Check the status of each loan listed to verify that they are all reported correctly. For any discrepancies, click on the specific loan for more information. Review your loan details, including the loan balance, interest rate, and payment history. If you find any incorrect information, document your findings for future reference. Next, reach out to Sallie Mae customer service for clarification about any discrepancies. You can find contact information on the website under the Help Center section. Be prepared to provide your verification details when you contact customer service. Ask specific questions about your loan status to ensure you receive accurate information. Follow up if necessary, keeping track of your interactions for further reference. After your inquiries, ensure that you log out of your account for security purposes. Periodically checking your loan status is a good practice to stay informed about your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.